Today we're going to be showing you how to make sugar-free green smoothie, which is vegan and whole foods plant-based.
So I want to put the spinach on the bottom.
30 grams or...
This is 1 cup of spinach.
We use organic and this is pre-washed.
This is 2 frozen bananas.
The frozen bananas gives it the creaminess, and then we're going to do 3 dates. If you don't have, these are medjool dates and they're nice and soft. If you don't have a very powerful blender like an awesome Vitamix or something like that, link in the video description.
For affiliated things we talk about.
Either soak them in water or try and find soft dates, or both. We're going to put those in.
Okay.
They are our sweetener.
200 grams or...
1 cup of blueberries.
These are frozen blueberries.
250 grams or...
1 cup of almond milk.
I'll link in the video description to recipe on how to make almond milk
to watch
after this for the almond milk. Okay, earmuffs are important to protect your hearing. And we're going to turn this on, ramp it up, and then let it blend and then ramp it back down. Oh, make sure you turn it on first. You can either put it in a container with a jar, or you can cap it and then stick the carafe and topper upside down. It'll hold your smoothie ingredients all there. So this is what it looks like. And so my sisters come back with cups, and so we're gonna pour some smoothie in here. We'll see you in just a bit for a taste test. Okay, so we're back and we poured it in glasses, and now it's taste test time. This is really good. It's super creamy and delicious, but it also has the fruit to balance it out to give it some flavor and body. The banana gives it lots of creaminess along with the almond milk. Link in the video description for almond milk recipe. And I really like it, and it gets you lots of lutein in because you get your spinach, and lutein is very important.
So I think it's really good. The banana makes it really creamy along with the almond milk. The blueberries are a nice treat, and it gets your spinach in for the day. And sometimes people feel it's hard to get the vegetables in, so a great way of getting them in is blending them.
And they're raw, so then you don't lose as many phytochemicals in it, but they're blended, so they're almost like pre-masticated or chewed on, so they're easier to digest and more bioavailable for some nutrients. So I encourage you to try this. It's really good. I'll have a link in the video description of other smoothies and other beverages that you might enjoy. Check that out after this video. Leave your comments down below. What is your favorite smoothie, or what is a smoothie that you've been wanting to make? I'm Max.
I'm Michelle.
This is Maxwell Bates.
Like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like it if you liked it, because it really does help. And I'll see you next time. Bye!